Hi everyone, welcome to COM 410 International Communications. I am Shannon Kennan. I'll be your instructor for this semester, and I'm looking forward to working with each of you. I wanted to walk you through the syllabus a little bit to give you an overview of the class and what to expect. There will be a quiz on the syllabus in week 1, so please make sure that you go through the syllabus carefully. I will only highlight certain aspects of it, so you need to go ahead and make sure that you've covered everything, because it's your responsibility to know what is in the syllabus and how the course will progress. Here is my email address. You can email me through the Angel course site, or you can email me directly to my Penn State email address. That's fine. If you want to talk on the phone or via Skype for some reason throughout the semester, we can do that by appointment. My Skype user ID is KennanSS, and here's my phone number. That's a Google Voice number. You can email me first and let me know when you're available, and then we can schedule a time that we're both available so that we can have that conversation. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down a little bit until I get to the graded assignments, and I wanted to call attention to these so you'll know what to expect. There are 4 main graded assignments throughout the semester: active participation, 10 mini assessments, which are like quizzes, 2 major assessments, which are like exams, and a regional project, which is like your final project for the class. So with active participation, we are going to be using Yammer, which is a social networking site that's very similar to Facebook, except that it is designed for organizations. So Penn State, as an organization, has bought a license for Yammer. So we have our own Penn State Yammer site, and within the Penn State Yammer site, we have a private course space for our course for spring semester. And you will need to join Yammer and participate in our Yammer course space throughout the semester for the discussion boards. So I would like for you to look for emails from me with directions on how to join our Yammer course space, and then you need to do that by the end of week 1. And each week throughout the semester, there will be discussions taking place in Yammer. So there's a little more information about Yammer, and I'm going to show it to you in another video in just a minute so you can see what it looks like and how to navigate it. The second type of graded assignment are mini assessments, which are worth 20% of your grade. These will start in week 2, and this is very important. They must be completed between 7 a.m. on Friday and 9 p.m. on Sunday. That's the only time these will be available. So essentially, you have 5 days to get your readings and lessons done, and then sometime between 7 a.m. on Friday and 9 p.m. on Sunday, you need to take the mini assessment. Also very important, you only have 1 opportunity and 45 minutes to take it. So once you start taking it, you can't stop and go have dinner or go talk to your friend on the phone or browse the internet. You have to keep taking the assessment until you're finished with it and click submit. And you only have 45 minutes to take it, so if you time out, it's going to submit whatever you completed in 45 minutes. So that is the way that it works. Please make sure that you are planning your life appropriately to make sure that you're available between Friday and Sunday to take your mini assessments. Like your mini assessments, your major assessments run the same way. There will be 2 throughout the semester, and there are designated weeks in the syllabus where they will be due. And like the mini assessments, these will only be available to you during the weeks that they're available, and they must be submitted by 9 p.m. on Sunday, and you only have 1 opportunity and 2 hours to take it. So once you log in and you start taking the assessment, you need to keep working on it until you finish it. It's very important that you don't try to log out and then go back in and finish it later, because you can't. It won't let you do that. It will submit whatever you completed when you closed it. And you only have a 2-hour time window, so use your time wisely. We also will have a final project this semester, which is an individual final project, and it is a research project. And essentially what you will be doing for this is you will be choosing or assigned to a region of the world, and those regions are outlined in the final project guidelines in Angel. But you will be able to choose which region you want to focus on, and then within that region you are going to complete well, you're going to identify an issue, a phenomenon, a problem, or a crisis in that region, and you're going to research it and create a website, blog, or PowerPoint presentation that focuses on the topic that you choose. So your research project will then be uploaded into Angel or linked in Angel during the week that we're covering your region, and it will be part of the weekly lesson and content that your classmates use. So it's very important that you do a really good job on these projects. Here are the basic components of the project, and here's some very important due dates. It is chunked into 4 blocks to make sure that you can successfully complete the project during the guidelines and to make sure that it is quality. Okay, so basic grades. This course schedule is really important. It's going to walk you through week by week exactly what you're supposed to do. So week 2, you have an article to read, you have 2 lessons, which I will show you in Angel in just a second, and you have 2 assignments, the mini assessment and the discussion in Yammer. Week 3, you have 1, 2, 3 articles to read, and 2 lesson pages to look at, and then you also have a video that it's recommended that you watch. It's embedded in this lesson part 2. And then you have 1, 2, 3 different assignments that are due that week. So you can see each week it walks you through step by step exactly what you're supposed to do that week. And I will also be sending out an email on Monday each week that highlights your things to do for the week as well. So look for that from me, because I will also clarify assignments and answer questions and give you some helpful hints about the content that we'll be covering that week, things that I think it's important for you to know. So that's the syllabus. It is your responsibility to make sure that you know what's in the syllabus. There is a syllabus quiz in week 1 that you're required to do. I'm looking forward to this semester, and there will be another video also uploaded that has a walkthrough of the Angel space and the Yammer space so that you know what those are like. Let me know if you have any questions.